Sink stopper won't open? Here's how to fix it without calling some pricey plumber you know. So, first off, you gotta check the linkage under the sink. Sometimes it just gets loose or bent, which means the stopper won't lift when you pull the lever. You can try tightening the little clip that connects the lever to the stopper rod, just a quick twist with your fingers, or a screwdriver usually does the trick. If that doesn't work, try adjusting the length of the rod by moving the clip up or down to get better movement. Another thing is to look for any gunk or buildup around the stopper itself. Soap scum or hair can jam it tight. Give it a good clean with some warm water and a brush. If the stopper is old or bent out of shape, it might be easier to just replace it altogether. They're not expensive, and you can find them at any hardware store. Also, make sure the pivot arm isn't broken or corroded, because that part controls the stopper's movement. Fixing these little bits usually gets your sink draining properly again in no time. One of the biggest problems with sink stoppers not opening is the linkage being disconnected or broken, which makes the stopper just sit there like it's stuck. The fix? Reattach or replace the linkage so it moves freely again. Another common issue is a clogged or jammed stopper due to hair and gunk buildup. Cleaning it out with warm water and a brush usually clears it right up. Lastly, people often overlook bent or damaged parts like the pivot arm or the rod itself, which can stop everything from working. Swapping those parts out for new ones fixes this issue fast. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to place if you want to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff and won't rip you off. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with homeowners ready to get projects done without all the hassle.